Yom Shohadai Kashmir is the anniversary of the brutal killing of 22 Kashmiris during protests in Srinagar, the anti-Muslim policies and rule of the ڈوگرا Maharaj of Jammu and Kashmir. This led to a popular uprising against the ڈوگرا Maharaj across Jammu and Kashmir. Yom Shohadai Kashmir has been marked by Kashmiris since 1947 until 2019, when the Hindutva and extremist government of BJP banned the day and its public activities. The day is being marked in Azad Jammu and Kashmir today to pay homage to Kashmiri resistance against oppression and occupation from 1931 till today. The struggle for Kashmiris and their right to self-determination continues from 13 July 1931 to 13 July 2021. Over 100,000 Kashmiris have been killed brutally by the Indian occupation forces since 1990 alone. Today, 800,000 Indian army troops, led by fascist Modi, have held Kashmiris in brutal lockdown. The Shohada of 13 July 1931 were the forefathers of Kashmiri resistance today. They laid their lives for freedom from an oppressive Maharaj. Today, their great-grandchildren valiantly defy an oppressive Hindutva regime hell-bent on demographic apartheid in Kashmir.